In this video, we are going to show you how to manage shipping settings on Shopify. Now, if you want to edit or customize your shipping settings on your Shopify account, it's very easy. All you need to do is, of course, you need to be logged in. And once you are logged into your account, you will be here on your admin dashboard, right? So what you want to do next is click on settings on the lower left corner like so. It's going to bring you to your settings page. Now, in your main menu here, you want to focus on shipping and delivery. So click on shipping and delivery like so. And this is pretty much where you can edit or you can change any information when it comes to shipping and delivery. So you can change your delivery expectations, local delivery options. You can set that up. You can also set up your picking in store. You can also customize your delivery, add delivery customization. When it comes to packaging, you can also change that. You can add packaging, and you can also upgrade your plan if you want. There's a lot of options here, but most primarily you want to click on shipping itself. So your general shipping rates. So whether it's for domestic or international, you can just click on that, and you can just change whatever option you want to change here. For example, your standard fees. You can add additional rates for international, so on and so forth. There you go. You can also start shipping to more places. You can go to markets. You can change that, and you can also do if you already have a custom profile, you can integrate that by just clicking create a custom profile like so, and you can just add it here and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on next video.